Hello, my name is Lee Noring. I have been a professional internet marketer since 1996. Today's video subject is keywords and the free advertising tips and trips video series. The best place to go online to get free help in picking out your keywords is Google Keyword Tool. It's a free tool. So go to your Google search page, click the first link. Now, if you're not signed already, you'll get more useful material from this is if you sign in. Just click the sign in or sign out button over here. Otherwise, you'll have to fill out that button proving you're a person. Today, I'm going to use the word advertising and limit ideas closely to related subjects, and I'm going to set it to exact results, which will tell me exactly what people are typing in to the search box and search engines. Now what you want to do is have the exact same text that people search to find your product or service as your title and the first thing in your description, and included first in your keyword list. Now, for this example today, I want to search by the number of local monthly searches. So if I was exclusively selling to high-end customers who are used to paying tens or hundreds or even millions of dollars for their advertising, free would not be a word I would use. But in this example, click on the word free advertising and a search page will open showing you the results of free advertising. Highlight it, do Control C, then Control F to open up the search box, and then Control V to paste it in. Take your keyword and make sure it's in the title, like here, and include it at the very first thing in the description, which this is not. So it's possible to outrank this guy by having free advertising first for this series of words. The sooner it's typed into the title, description, or keywords, the more value or importance it's given by Google, and it ranks the order of your pages, articles, videos accordingly to the total score that your page, your article, or video receives.
Now, let's get started. After all, what do you have to lose? The marketing review is free. Go ahead, click that link now.